adequately
Do you think
address
the laws are
situation.
enough? Are you satisfied with the level of prosecution of perpetrators? And do you think it's adequate enough? Sometimes fines are provided and penalties for perpetrators. Do you think this has done enough as deterrent to, forestall and, stop some of what was seen play out across Nigeria?
So from what we've seen so far, while the legal framework is there, it's a milestone. We can always hope for more laws to continue to protect Nigerian citizens. But at the same time, we've recorded successes, of perpetrators of violence, especially in cases of rape, defilement, and incest. We've seen instances of the perpetrators going to jail. Some have been handed life jail terms because of this. But what I'm saying is that before it got to that point, why don't we deploy the prevention method?
Mechanisms.
If you have respect for somebody, the best way to do that is to avoid any form of violence or physical assault or sexual assault. Once this is seen as a rule, it also protects you from becoming a victim. But where this is not respected, it is very good to also ensure that they face the real music of the law in terms of being handed over the desired punishment. But what we're saying is that we should not make cases of gender-based violence those that are private anymore. It's not a private matter. When you talk about gender-based violence, it's a public matter. Instances it could, like the case of rape, is a crime against humanity. It's criminal.
Sure.
So we should not abort this, and we should make efforts to report to the appropriate agencies of government to ensure that we have a normalized society where people also stay away from violence.
So
the fact that we've described this as gender-based violence is enough to drive us on reflection and thinking, and to ensure that we do not encourage its occurrence.